13 beauty secrets I wish I knew earlier. Tip number 1. Never skip your skincare routine. Your skin is the canvas and should get the same care as your hairs and nails. Mostly, girls think that the makeup is the best way to look better. They need to learn that taking care of your skin is one key for a healthy glow. Every girl should follow daily skincare steps. Cleansing should always be the first step in a beauty process. Use a gentle cleanser to wash your face well at least twice daily. Use soft, rolling strokes when you rub then wash. Toning should the second step after you wash your face. You should tone it. Use a good quality toner according to your skin type. You can spray it on your face. This step helps to minimize your open pores. Moisturizing should be the third step. After toning, apply a good quality moisturizer. Moisturizing can maintain healthy glowy skin and avoid dryness. These 3 skincare stages are called CTM. Follow these steps daily to get bright skin. Fourth step should be the sunscreen. Don't skip it. It's very important step to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Use a soft scrub to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week. It can remove your dead skin cells and make your skin baby soft and smooth. I recommend to use homemade face scrub. Tip number 2. Always carry a lip balm. Apply lip balm on lips overnight and make them supple and less chapped. While applying lip balm is essential in winters, it is equally important to use it in the summers too. The skin on your lips needs protection from the harsh sun rays too. Tip number 3. Don't touch your face. Only touch your face if your hands are washed with antibacterial soap. Make sure your hands are clean and sanitized. Tip number 4. Drink 8 to 9 glasses of water a day to achieve natural and healthy glow on face. And it's as well important for your health. Tip number 5. Apply castor oil on eyebrows and on lashes to get long lashes and thick brows. Tip number 6. Take enough sleep, at least 8 to 9 hours. A good sleep is vital for maintaining eye health, and it's important for your good health and also for skin.